The following contest is a triple threat tag team match. On the way to the ring, the team of Wendy, Choo and Zoey.
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form.
And Zoey and Sonya, Deville, pretty mean sisters.
And guys, this looks to be a match with major implications here in WWE. Could change the entire landscape here.
Kayden, Carter, and Katana chance the Warriors of NXT.
And the team of Katana Chance and Kayden Carter.
Somehow their energy's already turned up to 11.
Get ready for some super athletic competition from Chance and Carter, folks.
I cannot wait to see it. And the after party is going to be pretty great as well.
Tag team tornado match underway. Multiple teams facing off, but there will only be one winner.
Everyone competing at once. You really need to know the status of your partner and every opponent in this match.
Side Russian leg sweep, takedown, and these will keep you down. Nothing was being held back with each of those strikes. Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
Schoolboy, no, rolls through, super kick.
Big forearm.
Lee feeling a sense of confidence here. And that was taking the attack to the competition with that one. But now here's Zoey. This can have so many twists and turns. Corey, what will have an impact on this matchup?
You need to strike first. Dictate the pace of the match. Since anything goes, you can add anything to the equation.
Each competitor responds differently to the rules being thrown out the window. The key is who can stay afloat and remain in control. I wish someone would throw you out the window.
Wheelbarrow Hurricane Rana, very nice takedown.
I feel so discombobulated after that. Can't imagine how it felt to actually be the one spinning around.
Counter from Carter. Looking bad for her here. She adjusts it and reverses it.
And whip. I'll just leave it at this. Nobody comes into a match hoping to get chucked around like that. Focus that attack at the base. Can't put together much offense with no base.
110th Street Slam. Ooh, what a forearm club. Big blow. And look at this now. Yes, applying the submission hold.
I'm not sure she can escape by this.
And yes, she does.
Turns the tides.
Lands an elbow.
This is likely going to have adverse effects on her. She's only aggravating her competition at this point. Ouch. Oh, what a clubbing blow. This could Icy Carter. She's sent flying into the corner. Torturous focus on the leg.
Ooh, wrestling 101. If you can't stand, you can't fight.
Rolling elbow finds its mark. Ouch. Just going all out with every blow. Pump kick on target. Roundhouse kick. That was nasty.
Ripcord applied. Oh, and a forearm. Big forearm.
Quick thinking pays off.
Round and round we go.
Tilt-a-whirl head scissors. Now that'll do some serious damage. What a shot. Straight brutality coming right at you.
She avoids the attack completely.
Stomping. Ouch.
Sonya Deville rolls through into the triangle armbar.
Triangle armbar submission.
Trying to free herself from the triangle. Left hands fighting desperately as she's free.
Taking a moment to get pumped off of this crowd's incredible energy.
She's rummaging around under the ring here.
Has a bat now with the intent to make her opponent's head to baseball.
Shades of the OEC dub as a kendo stick is introduced to the proceedings. Really had less than a second to stay alive there.
And that was a first-hand example of a dirty attack.
Target acquired and destroyed. Sledgehammer to the midsection will knock the wind out of you.
Any one of these attacks could cause irreparable damage, but I don't think you can come back from this many.
And you never want to count a competitor out. It's lead.
That's it. Stark is out.
Broken up.
And the match continues. Face plant.
Lands a knee.
She's starting to drag a little bit. Uh-oh. She could be setting up for a submission here.
Black Widow locked in. Almost a miraculous escape and a side slam.
What are they doing here? Oh, God, that hurt.
Gets put into the barricade.
360 double knee face breaker.
Chance can seal it here.
But meanwhile, Sonya Deville. Jawbreaker.
Call the dentist.
I don't think any of these superstars are going to show any quit at this point.
Never say die attitude on full display.
And over the top into a rock landing.
And there was some force on that move.
All the way up.
Gun!
Inverted face lock.
Driven down with an elbow to the heart.
And shoulders down. Could she finally put this away?
She breaks the ref's count.
I'm happy she did. I don't want this match to end.
And the count's broken, keeping the match alive.
It's not over yet.
She bails in a hurry.
Big drop of the leg.
Has their opponent right where they want him. Get them all tied up. Rolling death rock up.
Look at this. She releases the hold.
That's a little surprising, no? My goodness, absolute dominance. And Wendy moves.
Single leg drop kick. Getting set up for something in the corner. Uh-oh, clearing off the announce table.
This is about to go from bad to worse.
This is not going to be pretty.
I don't want to see this happen.
Taking the fight near our announce table.
I really hope we get these desks at a discount.
The WWE Universe luring these superstars on.
Pumping the...
And here we go. Single leg breaks the hold.
There's the cover.
Is it enough?
Will that do it for Carter? Will that do it?
Scratching and clawing. This could be it.
How have we not claimed a winner yet?
You gotta believe. And a win here tonight. That'll change your career.
Here are your winners, the team of Kayden and Katana Chance.
And teamwork makes the dream work in this tag team victory.
It's always great to visit the pay window, but a victory like this makes the winner's purse all that much sweeter.